welcome to Cook with Minnie. Today we're going to be making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies.
Okay.
So grab your kids and let's get messy.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, shake it off. Shake it off. No, shake your hands. First, we're going to start off with unsalted butter.
Here you go. Thank you.
Good job. So when we're blending it, make sure this machine is pushed down here. Okay, Jacob, don't lift it or everything's going to go everywhere. We're just going to mix the butter and the sugar until it's blended to a cream. Move it around. Brody, let's not do that. There you go. And next we're going to go ahead and put in the brown sugar. Good job. There you go. Put it in, Brody. Good job. 2 whole eggs.
2 eggs and 1 oat.
1 yolk.
1 yolk.
Good job. Blend it until it's smooth.
Blend it and boom.
That was very smooth, Brody. Thanks, Mama.
Thanks, Mama.
Okay, you could do the baking powder.
Thank you.
And, ooh, bless you. Bless you. That's baking soda.
I want to try a cookie, guys. This is favorite cookie. Then put it in a pot. Okay. That's 1 cup of oats, guys. Let's put some oats.
You did? That's fine. It's maple.
Maple syrup.
Semi-sweet and milk chocolate. Slowly. Alright, once everything's mixed, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Buddy, I'm going to do a level scoop so that every cookie bakes the same. Good job. Just press it down, just tap it down like that. Not like that.
Uh-oh.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy your cookies. And until next time, stay hungry.
Yeah!